What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm going to break down for you guys the two trades that I took, how exactly they went, how I recovered from a loss, how I kept my losses small and my winners big. And I'm slowly beginning to learn price action a little bit better now that I've been scalping a little bit more often. So as you can see, we have the screen pulled up here. We have two dashed lines. We have one at 373.75. If you watched yesterday's video, you know what the 373.75 is. It was a touch yesterday twice, and then previously it was a touch on the hourly time frame. And then I have this 372.7, which is just simply this pre-market support. If this will zoom in, this pre-market support that I had right here. So multiple touches, like 1, 2, 3, 4 touches right there. That one's a little bit past, but that's okay. So 4 touches right there. That's why I marked that in. And yeah, so we'll get into the trades for today. So obviously, as you can see, same thing. This is like the third day that market has been trending up into market open. We pull right up into 373.75, right? And what do we do off of market open? We push up and we get rejected at it. What happened yesterday? Literally the same thing. We push up into 373.75 and we got rejected. Not over it, but right at it. Same thing twice happened yesterday morning. And then, so today we zoom in, right? And we could see we got pushed up, got rejected. I said, okay, we can see some downside because we've just been trending up these past couple of days. And the market is just going up for absolutely like no reason at this point. It's just continuously going up. So we got to have some sort of pullback, and I would like to be in on that said pullback, right? So we start to get some of this move down. Oh, if I can not do that. We start to get some of this move down right here. And as you can see, the red arrows are where I entered and the purple arrow was where I exited. I entered here at the break of this moving average and this kind of H pattern here, pull up, and then it like continued on down further. Price was below the 9 and the 20 EMAs as well. And so we started moving down into that area, right? I was in profit right here. Now, despite this move, because each one of these candles had such a wide range, as you can see, since each one of those candles had such a wide range, the contracts were not moving a whole lot. The contracts, I feel like, move way more in your favor if you're just getting a move like this straight down, right? You're just getting a move straight down, just straight price action, straight to the downside. But this has so much fluctuation in the price in between while it's moving down that it's not making, my contracts weren't moving up very much. So it kind of sucked right there, but I got one entry here, pulled up a little bit more, and then we went to break it again. I got another entry there. We continued on down further. Now, I was only up about 6% on this. So I wanted it to break 372.7, right? Because that's the pre-market support that I had drawn. We didn't break 372.7, obviously. We began to bounce. And once I saw this huge green candle up, right, I said, if we're going to start to break above this 9, I'm just going to get out. And I got out here for a small loss. Believe it or not, right, here's where I bought my contracts. I was still below that price point, and I got out for a loss. That's how slow the contracts were moving, and there was just barely any potential there at all. So, and there's my dog. So we ended up pushing up, right, and all right, sweet, cool. Okay. So anyways, like I was saying, we ended up pushing up, right? And I just decided to get out because it was just moving up too quickly, and with this huge candle straight up, I decided to get out. What was really going to move the contracts was going to be the break of 372.7, but we just never got that break, which sucks. I feel like that's been like a commonality of my trading for the past couple, I don't know, weeks or so. I've just seen, like, I've been going for a break, anticipating a little bit, and then we don't get the break. But I haven't been taking huge losses on them, so I'm not necessarily mad about it. Okay, so then we consolidate here for a little bit. We end up pushing up. We break this high, or we break this high, but we break above the that 373.75, right? This was when data dropped. I believe it was the consumer sentiment report at 10 a.m. right here dropped, and we got a huge push up, right? And then everybody thought the market was going to go up. It just freaking rejected straight back on down. we started moving back on down, and we started consolidating right here at this 45, the 9, the 20, all of them kind of accumulated right here. I waited for a break below this. Momentum was looking great. Momentum was looking like it was going in my favor, right? I waited for a break below that. I entered here, right? And yes, on this candle, I had a little bit of drawdown up to there. We still didn't break above the 9 and the 20 EMAs. And then we ended up flushing beautifully. This was an absolutely beautiful play, right? So my first loss was 6% from these two entries to here. And then this trade was a 25% gain. So huge. I made everything back and then some. So fantastic on the risk to reward right there. But that was just an overall beautiful trade. I just caught some of the momentum, right? We had a little bit of consolidation and then just a complete follow through straight to the downside. I wasn't even aiming for down here. I was aiming for about 372.8. I was aiming for this area right here because I didn't think that we were going to make it. All right. He's barking for some reason. Hey, Bubba, come here. Come here. Pop up. Okay. Ooh. All right. So basically what we ended up doing was pushing down here. I was looking for the 372.8 point because I didn't think we were going to make it all the way down to 372.7, which we ended up doing that, right? But I was going to sell right here, but the candle just blew straight through. So fantastic. Ended up locking it in and walked away with 25%. So those are my two trades for today. Just important, always follow your risk management. Obviously, you can see the red arrows are my buys. The purple arrows are my sells. So if that gives you kind of an idea, and I explained the whole two trades. So risk management is key in basically just overall trading, and it's helped me out quite a bit. It's hard to get some moves without drawdown, but if you can get them, take full advantage of them. So hope you guys learned something from this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.